How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Lawncare here. Today, I'm going to show you how to install your own graphic on your trailer.
On your trailer.
Install the decal.
Today for this, you're gonna have to get a couple things, just some water, but we're gonna spray this on here. What I'm doing here is I'm just taking my 2 index fingers, got 2 right here, and I'm just spritzing, okay? Paper towels. You don't want this on there because if you don't wipe, if this was on there, then it's going to be more difficult for that decal to stick to it, and you want it to stay real stuck. If it's not stuck, then it'll get unstuck, and then it'll be unstuck. Okay, so we got some more off of that. I'm a little bit out of breath. I'm gonna have to. This here's alcohol. And he also mentioned, depending on how big your decal is, that's the only part you need to really clean. You're just kind of doing a motion like this. Anybody could do it. Grandpa, aunt, cousin, second cousin, a monkey, a pig, Obama, Alabama. All right, so now I got my microfiber rag. You're gonna take that and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it up there. We're gonna tape it up there. I'm using blue tape. If you want to use red tape, green tape, we don't segregate. Last tool is that you're gonna need yourself a squeegee. You're gonna take this squeegee and then well, come on over here. It's very important that you be very patient with this. This is a tedious process. If you mess it up, you're gonna have to spend another $300 to get another decal. After you get from the right to the left, you're gonna work your way down. Project, I'd say it's a difficulty of a 10. I would pay a professional if I did it again. But I think it turned out nice. Lawncare here, signing out. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, questions you got below. Punch that like button for me too. Thank you, and until next time.